You'll feel right at home as you walk up to this attractive Cooper floor plan. At over 2,800 square foot, this beautiful new home will make you stop and gaze at the elegant stone accents as well as the custom front door. Upon entering, you'll notice the luxurious hand-scraped hardwood floors and soaring ceilings. As you make your way past the grand staircase, you'll find a spacious living area complete with large handcrafted stone fireplace. And just off the living room, you'll find an upgraded California kitchen with a large center island, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and custom cabinetry. You'll have everything you need to prepare the perfect meal. You'll look forward to dinner with the family in the nook, and for more formal occasions, the spacious dining room is the perfect setting for entertaining guests or family alike. Located on the ground floor, you'll enjoy the privacy of the large owner's suite, complete with bay window. The master bath is the perfect retreat with its luxurious spa-quality features, including a deep garden tub, a large separate shower, and dual vanities with granite countertops. As you make your way to the top of the spiral staircase, you'll find a game room ready for fun, as well as 3 additional bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There's also an optional media room that comes pre-wired for surround sound, ready to turn any night into movie night. We can build this First Texas home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth. Contact a First Texas home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out about building the Cooper floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.